Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Reset Options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here your device is of course informing you that the reset includes the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so let's tap on Reset Settings, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So let's tap on Reset Settings, and basically that's it. As you can see, we've got the information that everything went fine and we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.